one or many.
Let's learn plurals.
Most of the time, we just add s at the end.
Girl, girls. Book. Books. Cat. Cats.
When the word ends with a sound that hisses or buzzes, we add ears.
Bus. Buses. Box. Boxes. Watch. Watches.
When a word ends with a letter plus y, we have to look at the letter before the y. If it's a consonant, like B, C, D, F, we change the y to I and add E as.
Baby. Babies. Candy. Candies. Puppy. Puppies.
Some words that end with F like to be fancy when they're more than one. They change the F to V, and then we add S.
Leaf. Leaves. Wolf. Wolves. Knife. Knives.
Some words like to be a little different. Irregular plurals. Man. Men.
Woman. Women. Child. Children. Mouse. Mice. Tooth. Teeth. Foot. Feet.
Some words stay the same even in plural.
Sheep. Sheep. Deer. Deer.
I saw a cat with the purple hat. Then I saw cats chasing this and that. One jumped high, the other ran low. Where did those silly cats all go? There was a little mouse in the house. It tiptoed quiet, just like a mouse. Then came mice in a cheesy line, dancing around like they felt fine. A child drank juice from a sippy cup. Two more children came to drink it up. They all said yum and did a cheer, then wiped their mouths from ear to ear. A wolf howled loud in the dark, dark wood. Then came more wolves, oh yes they could. They sang in tune beneath the moon, howling their wild and spooky tune. One man wore a funny green hat. Two men came and danced like that. They spun around and shouted, hey! Then juggled jelly beans all day. One or many, big or small, we can laugh and count them all. A silly bunch, a funny crew, sing this song and count them too. We can laugh and count them all. A silly bunch, a funny crew, sing this song and count them too.